Today we're visiting Donghe Musical Factory, so let's go inside and see what they have to teach us.
This box is different.
Different.
Yeah, the hole is small and the bigger.
Third. And then this you lay on top.
Yes.
I made my own harmonica too, and now we're going to learn a few things.
我们要怎么拿？好，来。
Do you blow just in the bottom or top and bottom?
Yes. 刚刚后面有一首是对名曲叫小蜜蜂的，来我们看一下。哇，这首声音。
Here at Donghe Music Factory, you have 3 options available for a fun day or a fun activity. You can do your own piano model, or you have the option of making 2 of your own instruments, and you can assemble your own harmonica, which is really amazing.
对不对？好粗，好。所以呢，在钢琴的弦弦上有2颗的，有1颗有没有的，你去压压看。
After you've assembled your instruments downstairs, there's a second floor where you get taken on a guided tour and you get shown how pianos are assembled, and they have a beautiful breakdown of all these upright pianos, so you can actually see the anatomy of a piano. So here there is a factory where they have made musical instruments and all sorts of activities related to music out of recycled goods. It's a brilliant place for kids to come and, as you can hear in the background, just have free reign. It's been a great time here at Donghe Music Factory. I think it's a great place for adults and kids to come and enjoy and assemble their own instruments, learn a little bit of music and learn more about musical instruments. I highly recommend it.